If you're looking for a really simple cheese ball for the holidays, this is very easy and very few ingredients, and most people enjoy it. So you're just going to need 2 softened bars of cream cheese, and if you forget to set it out to soften at room temperature, you can put that in the microwave for like 10-second increments. You don't want to melt it, just soften it a little bit. And 2 packages, these are 2 ounces each of the dried beef, the Buddig dried beef. Most grocery stores have that. You can use any dried beef you have. And just going to cut this up very, very finely. You don't want to add any salt to this because the beef is salty enough. So really you just have 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. So I'm going to continue to chop this up as finely as I can get it, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, that should just about do it. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the bowl with the cream cheese. Probably going to end up using my fingers to mix this up. It's a little difficult, but I'm going to go ahead and cut up a couple tablespoons of onion, finely minced. Now you don't have to add the onion if you don't like it. You could add onion powder instead if you prefer, or neither one. It's up to you. Try to get it minced up as much as possible. Nobody wants a big bite of onion in their cheese ball. I guess some people might, I don't. And that's actually a little more than I want. I'm not going to put all of that in there. Okay. I think I'm going to put about half of that in. That's going to be about enough. About a tablespoon of mustard, just regular yellow table mustard. And about a 1/4 cup of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, whichever you prefer. Yeah, this is not going to work. So just get in there and mix it all up. If you wanted to use a stand mixer, you could, but I don't see the point in dragging it out just for a cheese ball and all of that cleanup. If you wanted, you could add any other ingredients, maybe some finely diced cheddar cheese, little bell pepper. But just for the classic simple cheese ball, this is all you need. So I'm going to continue mixing this, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, I think this is about mixed well enough. It does take quite a bit of mixing, and you can't use an electric hand mixer because this is just too thick. On some more gloves. Get all of that out of my way. Oh, I am not a big fan of plastic wrap. Then I'm going to stick this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, this is a simple cheese ball with crackers for the holidays or any other time that you would like to have one. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by. Happy holidays. I'll see you next time.